वीज दर थारावप नेमाप्रमाण जाता. कायद्याप्रमाण ताचो निर्णय जातलो. बुधवारा सुनावणे वेळार भागधारकांनी दिल्ल्या सुचोवण्यांचेर आमी विचार करतले अशी माहिती ज्योती प्रसाद हांच्यांनी दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Today the GRC had a public hearing regarding the tariff. What do you say about it?
See, we have heard the department on the tariff proposal that they have given for this year, and we have heard all the consumers and being represented through different bodies also. We have heard the suggestions, both the written as well as oral submissions have been noted by the JERC. We are going to consider and try to balance the stakeholder interest while fixing the tariff.
Given time to the legislative department to file their replies.
They will be filing their written submissions to the comments that have been made today by the public.
How long? What is it?
Generally, they give it within 2 weeks.
So, madam, there will be a next hearing on regards to this because people
That the commission will have to consider. Because ample notice is given on this. Otherwise, also you see objections are invited from the public. The public can always give their comments in writing. There is a 21-day notice. All the comments and all the suggestions that are given by the public, that is taken into consideration by the commission. So even if the public is not in a position to come and attend the public hearing, they can give it in writing, submit it, the commission will take it into consideration.
Does the commission also take into consideration what are the promises which the government or what they have said, like for next 3 years or 4 years, they won't include
You see, tariff determination is governed by the regulations. There are a set of regulations that govern it. So therefore, it will be decided as per the legal process.
Okay, because what one of the opposition leaders who spoke has said that for the next 3 years they will not increase the tariff.
That is something that needs to be considered by the commission.
So that could be also considered at that point.
Ma'am, how many suggestions have you withdrawn from Goa to this tariff proposal?
The objections that
No, not now, but so you all received written suggestions also now.
no, those who were present here,
Yeah.
they have also given it in writing. Some of them who have not given it in writing, they have time within 2 weeks to submit it in writing, because then we can take it into consideration while fixing the time.
So wouldn't it be fair enough to hold this on Sunday because most of the people, this is a working event.
We have noted the suggestion. We'll take care next time.
Yeah, that's what. Hearing also to be held in South Goa.
I mean, you mean to say 2 public hearings?
Yeah.
That we'll consider next time.
Next time. So now if this
Let us see. You see, the suggestion has come only now. So let us see.
no, if the suggestion of also holding this on Sunday.
That we'll see.
it's a working hours.
It's working. And here only the officers could be seen. The public couldn't be seen here today. So what suggestions could we make be from the public?
That's why I'm saying, you see, notice is given public wise, it is notified in the papers. That's how it is widely published. So it is open for the consumers and the public at large to give their comments in writing. They can give it to us in writing. Whatever is given to us in writing, all objections, all suggestions will be considered by the commission while fixing the tariff proposal.
No, but giving in writing, I think we'll keep that.
Yes,
open now.
definitely.
How long it will be?
At least 21 days.
21 days.